Hello class 4 student, I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to start with the chapter 9, that is understanding maps, and the main points are maps and their types, elements of a map. So class, let's start. Can you draw the way to your school from your home? Draw it in the given space. Write the name of the important places in the map. Here is the place given and you have to draw a map. Maps. A map is a drawing of the earth or its parts on a flat surface or paper. Maps are drawn according to a scale. We can see different things like continents and oceans, countries, states, rivers, mountains, etc. on a map. We can also find out the boundaries of continents, countries, states, etc. We can also get some information like rainfall, agricultural production, climate, soil, minerals, etc. on a map. A map can be of different sizes and it can be easily carried to another place. Maps are useful for sailors, pilots, new persons at a place, etc. Types of maps. Maps are of three types: physical, political and thematic. Physical map. Maps that are drawn to show the natural features like mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, rivers, seas and oceans, lakes, etc. are called physical maps. Political maps. Maps that shows villages, towns, cities, states, countries, etc. with their boundaries are called political maps. Here you can see the pictures of physical map of India, political map of India. Thematic maps. Some maps are drawn to show special things like rainfall, agriculture, forest, soil type, minerals, industries, etc. These maps are called the thematic maps. Now kids, do you know it? A book of maps is called an atlas. A person who draws a map is called a cartographer. Now, elements of a map. A map has some basic elements which helps readers in reading maps. These include the scale, directions, signs, symbols and colors and the key or legend. Scale of a map. A map is smaller than the area showing on it. It is not possible to show actual distance of two places on a map. So, a cartographer has to give a reduced distance on a map. It is in ratio of actual distance. This is called a scale. So, the scale of map shows the ratio between the actual distance on land and the distance on a map. The scale is written as 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. If the distance between two places is 400 kilometer, it will be shown on a map as 4 centimeter. It is shown on a map as a ruler. Here you can see a ruler. Now kids, did you know it? If no scale is used in a map, it is called a sketch. Direction. North, south, east and west are four major directions. These are called cardinal directions also. On a map, north is shown by an arrow towards the top. When we stand in front of the rising star, our face is towards the east. Our back is towards the west. Our left hand is towards the north and our right hand is towards the south. Here you can see the picture, the sun and the direction. And here, intermediate directions. Between two cardinal directions, there is one intermediate direction. So, northeast NE is between north and east. Southwest SE is between south and east. Southwest SW is between south and west. And northwest NW is between north and west. Kids, do you know it? A sailor keeps a compass to see directions. A compass has a magnet that always stays in north-south direction. Signs, symbols and colors. A map has very small space on it. It is not possible to write the names of all features on a map. So we use different signs and symbols on map to show them. These are given below. Here you can see different colors are used to show different features. For example, blue is used for showing water bodies, green is used for showing plains, yellow is used for showing deserts and brown is used for showing mountains and plateaus. Key or legends. There is a key or legend on a map which is a key to understand different signs, symbols and colors. These are shown in a table. Signs, symbols or colors are given on the left side of the table and their meaning is on the right of them. Here you can see map keys or legend. Now valued fact. A compass is very important for a pilot or a sailor. Awesome fact. Water is colorless but it is shown as blue. Now let's learn new words. Thematic based on a subject like rainfall, crops, minerals, industries, etc. Key or legend. Meaning of some signs, symbols and colors on a map. Now kids, let's remember, a map is a drawing of the earth or its parts on a flat surface or paper. There are three types of maps: physical, political and thematic. A map has some elements like scale, direction, signs, symbols, colors and a key or legend. These helps the readers in reading maps. I hope you all like this session. Now we will meet in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.